Your front door does more than just welcome guests. It protects your home, boosts curb appeal, and helps maintain energy efficiency. In a city like Houston, where heat, humidity, and storms are part of everyday life, your entry door takes on even more responsibility. Over time, wear and tear can compromise its performance. If you're unsure whether it's time for an upgrade, here are the key signs Houston homeowners should watch for. Visible damage or warping. Houston's climate can be tough on exterior materials. High humidity and intense heat can cause wooden doors to warp, crack, or swell. If your door no longer sits flush in its frame or shows signs of splitting, it's more than just a cosmetic issue. It can affect security and insulation. Steel and fiberglass doors can also dent or deteriorate over time, especially after years of exposure to the elements. Drafts and rising energy bills. If you notice warm air seeping in around your door, your home is likely losing energy. In Houston's hot climate, this means your air conditioning system has to work harder, driving up your energy bills. Worn-out weather stripping, gaps, or an improperly sealed door are common culprits. Replacing your entry door with a modern, energy-efficient model can help maintain indoor comfort and reduce monthly costs. Difficulty opening and closing. A properly functioning door should open and close smoothly. If you're struggling with sticking, scraping, or misalignment, it may be due to frame shifting or moisture damage, both common in Houston homes. While minor adjustments can sometimes fix the issue, persistent problems often signal that the door has reached the end of its lifespan. Outdated appearance. Your entry door plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. If it looks worn, faded, or outdated, it can bring down the overall look of your property. This is especially important if you're planning to sell your home. A new, stylish door can instantly refresh your exterior and make a strong first impression on visitors and potential buyers. Compromised security. Your front door is your home's first line of defense. If the material has weakened, the locks are outdated, or the frame feels unstable, your security could be at risk. Older doors may not meet current safety standards, making them easier to breach. Upgrading to a newer door with reinforced materials and modern locking systems provides peace of mind for you and your family. Moisture or water damage. Frequent rain and humidity in Houston can lead to moisture buildup around your entryway. If you notice water stains, mold, or soft spots in the door or frame, it's a clear indication of damage. Left unaddressed, this can lead to more serious structural issues. A replacement door designed to withstand Houston's climate can prevent further problems. Noise from outside. If you can clearly hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity through your closed door, it may not be providing adequate insulation. Modern entry doors are designed with better soundproofing features, helping create a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Making the right choice. Replacing your entry door isn't just about fixing a problem. It's an opportunity to upgrade your home's efficiency, security, and style. For Houston homeowners, choosing a door built to handle heat, humidity, and storms is essential. Materials like fiberglass and insulated steel are popular options because they resist warping and provide excellent durability. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it may be time to consider a replacement. Investing in a new entry door can enhance your home's performance and appearance while giving you long-term peace of mind.